Kuramoge Juang, Dorcas Sudur ochamo muma kaka ton jener mokwongo mamiyo pacho kae ka Beatrice School to chamo muma kaka jatend migao mar pinje Afrika ma ugwe e nyasi manotelie kod jatend piny William Ruto okinyi ma kawuono. Ruto okwayogi mondo gichwal tijegi kaluwore kod manifesto mar sirkand piny Kenya. Kamano bende okwayo Dorcas mondo oneni okonyo piny owacho e buche mathoth ma omako piny owacho kanyakla kod mago mamulo ngima jo Kenya mangima e neno ni chenro mag chike odhi makare kaluwore kod chike mag piny.
I, Beatrice School Moe, being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya,
that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Attorney General, that I will undertake to hold my office as the Attorney General with honor and dignity. So help me God.
You come into office as a very critical moment in our nation. I will advise you to carefully read the manifesto upon which this government was elected. We have huge awards against government, running into, I think, 600-700 billion. There has been occasions by underrepresentation of government in many cases. It is very important, Madam Attorney General, that you work with all the other agencies to make sure that that responsibility and rigorous representation to both government and the people of Kenya is timely